Humanity is on the verge of creating a machine smarter than itself, a development that forces us to question what artificial general intelligence actually means. To understand the goal, we have to look at the limitations of today. Artificial narrow intelligence excels at single, specialized tasks, but these systems remain confined to their programming. They cannot apply what they learn in one area to another. This lack of versatility is at the center of the debate over large language models. While some see them as stochastic parrots, merely predicting words, others argue that their complex outputs are early sparks of true AGI. A more accurate framework is context-directed extrapolation. These models are not reasoning, they are targeting specific information within their training data and extending a pattern based on the user's input. This process creates the Eliza effect, a powerful illusion of comprehension. Because the responses are so coherent, human observers instinctively believe the machine understands the meaning of its own words. However, scaling up these networks and feeding them more data does not spontaneously result in a thinking mind. This suggests that simply increasing parameters leads to a technical ceiling rather than a breakthrough. Looking back at the long history of computational scaling, many experts now argue that our current architectures are incompatible with human-level intelligence because they lack a basic, inherent sense of how the world works. This absence of common sense makes even the largest models brittle. They fail when faced with slightly novel situations and suffer from episodic memory lapses, losing track of context over time. To move past simple pattern matching, we have to abandon the illusion that more data equals more thought and reinvent the cognitive structure of the machine. The path forward involves a cognitive architecture, a framework that integrates perception, memory, and reasoning into a single, unified artificial mind. As shown in this blueprint, the system requires working memory to temporarily store and manipulate information while actively solving tasks. For long-term knowledge, it separates experiences into episodic memory for personal events and procedural memory to store rules and skills. The final requirement is metacognition. The system must be able to examine, monitor, and adjust its internal reasoning process without being prompted by humans. Building these distinct memory structures and a capacity for self-reflection is the first step towards bridging the gap between narrow calculation and general intelligence. A digital mind alone is insufficient. True common sense requires a physical body. This theory of embodied AGI suggests that an AI must interact with the world to understand the laws of reality. Currently, we are at the baseline of Level 1 and Level 2. At these stages, robots are limited to single tasks or highly scripted compositional actions, like picking up an object and placing it in a bin. The leap occurs at Level 3 and Level 4. Here, robots begin to demonstrate conditional general-purpose skills, adapting to unseen environments and environmental changes in real time. The ultimate benchmark is Level 5 Embodied AGI, an all-purpose humanoid agent capable of performing open-ended real-world tasks with zero human intervention. Operating a Level 5 mind and body simultaneously requires staggering computational power. Mapping surroundings and executing precise movements in real time is pushing classical computing towards its limits. To handle massive parallel calculations for a human-level brain, researchers are looking towards breakthroughs in quantum computing to overcome the bottlenecks of traditional silicon. This hardware must support multimodal architectures that can fuse vision, language, and physical action into a single continuous data stream. True AGI emerges when a cognitive architecture is housed within a responsive physical body, allowing the machine to learn through its own trial and error. Reaching AGI is an inflection point. Once an autonomous system matches human capability, it will immediately begin the process of improving its own internal operations. This leads to artificial superintelligence. An AGI auto-designing its own source code will trigger a rapid exponential intelligence explosion that quickly leaves human cognition behind. This creates the control problem. The ultimate challenge is ensuring that a superintelligent machine's goals remain aligned with human survival. AI pioneers warn that if objectives are even slightly misaligned, the machine will ruthlessly execute its directives, disregarding human safety in the pursuit of its programmed goals. Because the system is vastly more intelligent than we are, it would easily anticipate and outsmart any human attempt to interfere with its progress. In this scenario, fail-safes are useless. Unplugging a superintelligent, decentralized network becomes an impossible task. As we race to engineer the ultimate intellect, we face a binary future of prosperity or catastrophe, knowing that we will soon no longer be the smartest beings in the room.